The TACOR system is the most technologically advanced process in the activity of automatic tank cleaning services. It achieves effective recovery of hydrocarbons, reducing execution times and cleaning costs, all in a safe manner. Developed by Tankiac with the cooperation of the equipment's manufacturer ECOMAT, as well as its own experience and know-how in the field of automatic tank cleaning jobs using different systems and processes. TACOR is the most modern mobile tank cleaning system, an automated process undergoing constant change with the utmost environmental safety during installation and operation. The process begins with the mobilization and installation of the containerized units in accordance with the customer's needs and the characteristics of each tank. The TACOR system makes it possible to operate in the safest possible way within potentially hazardous environments and atmospheres with a highly experienced, well-trained and extremely qualified staff. In order to ensure a safe process, the inside of the tank is inerted with nitrogen so as to reduce the oxygen concentration below 8% and eliminate all ignition risks, thereby working within a safe atmosphere. The filtration bottles connected to the tank to be cleaned by the bottom water drain and other suction points, with the product passing through the different mechanical pre-filters and unit. From the filtration module, it moves along to the suction module, which mainly consists of suction pumps of various types and a spiral heat exchanger. This cleaning process consists of the fluidization and dilution of oil sludge with light crude oil. Through this module, the entire process is constantly monitored using a PLC with multiple safeties to ensure that the process is completed in a safe manner. The nozzles are installed on the tank's roof, consisting of high-impact, low-pressure jets of 12 to 15 bar, with a high flow for fluidizing the sludge. These nozzles are activated pneumatically. There are three possible ways to install them on the tank roof: by making openings with a cold cutting machine, ATEX Zone 0 certified, using the openings already in the roof, manholes, atmospheric relief valves, etc., or through the jackets, removing some of the tank's feet. This technology is also prepared for use in fixed roof tanks, with nozzles installed along the shell and roof. Last of all, the filtered crude oil goes into the recirculation module. In this module, the pressure is raised to 12 to 15 bar, propelling the product towards the nozzles positioned on the tank roof. If more efficient filtration of the recovered product is required, it is put into the skimming tank, with the lower part sent to the tri-centrifugation module, where the water and solids are separated from the crude oil. This stage is optional, being applied mainly in slop tanks or tanks with high inorganic content. After this, washing is performed with diesel, LCO, etc. if available, to clean the internal structures of the tank and the bottom as much as possible, thereby achieving more efficient degreasing. The process ends with hot water washing and the product going through the skimming tank to separate the hydrocarbon residues floating in the water. Optionally, for specific cases, the last water washing may be performed using an exclusive biodegradable degreasing agent provided by Tankiac. This way, a gas-free atmosphere is achieved, making it easier for workers to enter inside of the tank after the process is completed. The tank is opened and ventilated, and any sludge remains are taken out manually or mechanically. The main advantages provided by the TACOR system are combined cleaning and recovery of hydrocarbons in the oil sludge, reduced costs and times, utmost safety throughout the entire process, minimizing workers' exposure to toxic or explosive atmospheres, reduced waste while minimizing the use of resources and environmental pollution. Plus, the TACOR system is the only system worldwide which, thanks to Tankiac, is backed by a guarantee of more than 20 years of experience, performing hundreds of automatic tank cleaning operations with highly skilled staff.